Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually create any song without visiting any producer, without paying any producer. So without wasting any time, let's just dive into it. So the first thing you want to do is to come over to your Google Chrome. So I'm just gonna be using my Chrome browser. So this is my Chrome right here. Okay, so that's my Chrome. And then when my Chrome browser is opened, I'm gonna wait for it to come up, and I'm just gonna come over here and I'm gonna type in Suno AI. Okay, just like this, and I'm just gonna search. So next thing I want to do is to click on Suno. You can see it right here. That's the link. Okay, that's how it looks like. So that's Suno. I'm just gonna to click it. This Suno. So when you click on this website, this is gonna come up. So of course, the first thing you want to do is to sign up with your Google Mail. So we're going to sign up very quickly. So this is where you're going to click for you to sign up. So you just click over here, and that's how to sign up. So guys, when you sign up, the next thing you want to do is to select your Google account. So you just want to sign up with your Google account. So this is my Google account. So you can sign up with your Google account. That's number one. You can sign up if you have a Microsoft account. You can sign up if you have an Apple ID as well. You can also sign up if you with your phone number. Okay, those are actually different ways that you can actually sign up. So for this, I'm going to be signing up with my Google account. So I'm just going to click over on Google and wait for this to come up. So guys, I have different emails that are actually here. I'm just going to be selecting one of them. To do that, I'm going to be selecting for GD Genius. That's what I'm going to be selecting. So let's just wait. So you just select the email that you actually want to use. So I'm just going to be selecting this. And next, I want to just click over on continue. So I'm going to click over on continue right here, and I'm going to wait for this to come up. Okay guys, so when that is done, you can clearly see that this is exactly how your dashboard is going to look like. So it's very easy and it's not difficult. So now what's the next step you want to do? The next thing you want to do is to come over to create. So I'm going to look for create. This is create right here. I'm going to click on create. You can see create right here. That's create. So that's what you're actually going to click on create, and then when you click on create, you're going to wait for your music to come up. So at this point, you are being given this particular box: custom style and lyrics, your song description, and all of that. So what you want to click here is to come over to custom style and lyrics, and when you do that, you just put it on, make it on just like this. So this is stage one. Now let's dive into stage two, and then we'll just create our music. So for you to get the stage two, what you want to do next is to come over to what I call Microsoft Copilot. So guys, this is exactly how Microsoft Copilot looks like, just like this. So what you want to click next is just to go to your Google Play Store, type in Microsoft Copilot, and then you click on open. So I'm going to do that right away. And as you can see, next you want to click here is to click on continue. So you just click over continue right here, and we're going to wait for this to come up. Now this is just like your chat GPT, and it's totally free. You don't have to pay for it. Of course, you want to allow, maybe this time or anytime you're using the app, I'm just going to click while using this app, so I won't be required to enter this again. Now at this point, this is exactly where we're coming to. So what I want to click next is that I want to ask, I have the option of using a voice to ask Copilot. I have the voice of using the text. So you can see very clearly here that these are actually the things I actually needed. I can use a voice, I can use the text, I can even use a picture. So this is actually the support. I can actually do that too as well. So but the first thing, of course, you want to sign in. Okay, but if you don't want to sign in, it's still going to work for you. So I'm just going to click on this icon, which is actually ask me anything. So I'm going to type in my prompt. Now I already have a prompt that I'm going to be pasting right here. I'm just going to paste it next here quickly. So guys, this is actually the prompt. As you can see, you can actually pause your screen and just check out what I actually wrote. So it's not really difficult. It's something that you can do. It's just a prompt, okay, for just testing purpose. So I'm going to click on send, and I'm going to see what GPT is going to give me. That's actually this is actually the send, and that's what I'm going to be clicking right now. So I'm going to click on send, and I'm going to see what Microsoft Copilot is going to help me do. If you have ChatGPT, it's also going to do the job for you, but I recommend you use Microsoft Copilot. So let's click on send. Whoa, I mean, you can see very clearly it's actually generating a lot of stuff for me. Wow, so I have a verse 1, a verse, and a chorus, and all of that. Well, this is really, really great. Okay guys, so this is Microsoft Copilot, and as you can see very clearly, it has actually generated me songs. You can see very clearly, and all of that is here. So what I want to do next is to copy. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy what I've gotten from Microsoft Copilot. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go back to my Suno. Okay, next I'm going to paste it over here. Yes, I'm going to accept this, and I'm going to come over here, and I'm just going to paste it. Now when you paste it, don't forget to check for links. This is verse 1, this is verse 2, this is verse 3, this is the bridge, all of that, this is the outro, all of that fade out. So I don't have any links right here. So next thing I want to do is to come over to enter style of music. So this is right here. So I'm just going to click on enter style of music here, and I'm just going to put maybe Nigerian Afro beat song. Okay, so I think that's I'm good with that. Enter the title of the song. I'm just gonna put maybe Jide Tech. All right, so that's the title for a song. All right, so it's about creativity, so you can just do whatever you want to do. This is just a video, so I'm just play with it. Okay, so when that is done, make sure you check everything, and then the next thing you want to do is to click over create. So I'm gonna click on create right now, and let us see what we have. So let us cook our song, and we're gonna wait for it to come up. Within the space of 2-3 minutes, it should be ready. Okay guys, you can clearly see now that it's ready. Okay, so what I want to do next is to click on the song and let us play it. So let me just click on the song and let us play. All right guys, let's hear what we have. Yo, genius, tech wizard, flipping the script. Yo, Lego streets, global grids, we are are you feeling that, bro? No room for defeat. Encrypted drinks, firewall strong at the beats. Social media is our canvas, you beat with flair. Hashtags trending, follow us there. Marketing magic, pixels and posts. We're the kings of the gram, coast to coast. Genius, rise above the noise. Wow, do you hear that, guys? I mean, this is awesome. Money online. Yo, buddy. We hustle hard till the day is done. So guys, I mean, this is a very fantastic way that you can actually use to create your own music without paying any subscribers. So let me just try to pause this right. Let me just try to pause the song, okay? All right, so guys, that's actually how you can actually do a lot of fantastic things, creating your own music using artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, and using this fantastic song. And you have access to about 10 songs per day, and you can use the songs all for free. They're free from copyright. You can create blues songs, you can create hip hop, you can create jazz music, you can create so many style of music. Okay, you can see that this is just a Nigerian hip hop, and I was specific that I wanted a Nigerian hip hop. Okay, so guys, this is exactly how you can do to get your music started. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this video, you just want to hit the subscribe button, the share button, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. And if you're yet to become a member, you want to join my community, in the link my description. Okay, I'm gonna put the link in my description. Check the channel, join my community, so you can get access to exclusive and amazing part of technology, okay, and technology tricks. All right, till I come your way next time. This is Genius. One love.